guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. So okay. You know, my other half, she says hi. So today I want to talk about north and south nodes. So I've been getting a lot of questions about this. What is your north node? So your north node is basically what you're supposed to be doing, like what you came here to do. Now when I say this, I'm only saying what you came to do because if you're like an earth angel, an empath, if you have some divine job that you came to do, I'm not talking about regular, like, I'm not talking about regular people, like regular, you know, whatever they call humans, whatever, I don't know. But you know what I mean. So my thing is, if you're gifted, if you're chosen, a chosen one, whatever have you, whatever you like to call each other. But basically a starseed, an empath, a earth angel, if you're any one of those, you know, a light worker. Yeah, a light worker. So if you basically are one of those and you have a divine job that a mission that you have to do, basically you're in your north node. You found it. You have gone through the lessons. You have gone through these tumultuous relationships, these heartbreaks. You've gone through betrayal. You've gone through everything that you need to go through, because the reason you go through it and the reason I went through it is because we have to be able to relate to humans that have gone through it. Trauma, rape, abuse, you know, neglect, child abuse, whatever have you. I don't know. Anything bad, or cheating, you know, if you've been in a marriage and you basically been abused and you've been cheated on, adultery, all these things, all these bad, negative things. You have gone through it. So because you've gone through it, basically now you could tell other people. So you could basically relate, and you know, you could be the counselor, you could be a social worker, you could be whatever have you, because we're supposed to be able to relate and help people heal. That's how we heal, through our words. That's how I heal. That's why I had so much narcissists so much narcissists attract to me, because they wanted healing and they saw my light. And people know they're narcissists. Don't even get me started with that nonsense. People know y'all evil, y'all know y'all broken. That's why y'all that's why you see in a relationship, you'll see a nice pretty girl or a nice guy, he's getting played by an evil girl, or the nice girl is getting dogged out by a bad boy or whatever, because they know that they could get healed. You understand? They know. So because they know, they attach themselves and they tell them all kind of lies. They gaslight them. They tell them they love them. They tell them whatever they want to hear. They ask them this story, right? So let me put it like this. I meet you and I want to get to know you. So we go out. So I'm like, oh, tell me about yourself. So you being an empath, you're going to tell me about you. You're going to be like, well, you know, as a child, I was this, I was abused, I was whatever. And, you know, in my marriage, my husband cheated on me, abused me, whatever. Oh, my mom didn't love me, I was adopted, whatever you say. And what I'm looking for is someone to love me, someone that cares. You know, if you're a single mom or a single father, you're like, oh, I'm looking for a family unit, I'm looking for this. And they're like, yeah, that's me. Yeah, I want to do that. Yeah, girl. Yeah, guy. Yeah, oh, I love you. All that BS. And they tell you that to get you. That's how they get you. They relate. They be like, oh yeah, it happened to me too. As a child. They try to trauma bond. That's what that is. They try to basically act like they was abused and they was this and that, but they wasn't. They lying. They full of nonsense. Don't get fooled. Don't get tricked by these scrubs. That's what they are, a bunch of scrubs. So anyway, back to what I'm saying. So you're north node now. So now you know your purpose. You found your way. You had your awakening. You've had everything that you're supposed to go through. And you're like, okay, now I'm on my mission. So nobody could come to you now. Like now you basically passed the test. So the universe and your angels and ancestors was testing you. So now you went through it. You passed the test. So now you can have your blessings. Let me let you guys understand something. You don't get your blessings until you pass. So God is not gonna, whoever you call God, there's only one, is not gonna bless you with money or bless you with anything like God is not gonna bless you with nothing if you're with a narcissist. If you're with somebody that's gonna steal it, they're not gonna bless you. If you're in a relationship that's basically killing you, God is not gonna bless you. He's not gonna give you a child. And if you're having miscarriages or if you're not getting pregnant, that's not the person you're supposed to be with. I don't care what you say. It's not your true love, because you would have children, you would conceive. Kids are a blessing. Remember that. Like, people, stop being fooled. Like, stop with these toxic relationships that y'all want to trauma bond and y'all want to be with each other and argue and make up and have makeup sex. No, it's not. That's just like when y'all keep having sex, like I was telling y'all, people do spells, and when they keep having sex with you, that's how they keep you connected. Notice when you stop having intercourse with a person that you're in a toxic relationship with, you no longer feel nothing for them. You don't feel no feelings. You don't love them. That's not love. Sex is not love. Hello. It only lasts like how long? What you think? You're gonna do that forever? You're gonna be what, 80 and be 90 doing that? Come on. Let's be for real. So my thing is, and yes, that's your north node. You're here to do your purpose, so no one could play you no more. You're done with that. So when a narcissist sees you now, they're gonna basically try. Of course they're gonna try, but you're gonna be on some, oh, I'm good. I'm good. I don't need you. Oh, you broke? Oh, I don't need you. Sorry. Oh, what happened? Oh, you want to know about my car? Oh, nah, I'm good. That's not even my car. Bye. Deuces, because you're a loser. Now you on some, you all about you. Self-love. Hello. When a person loves themselves, they've been through hell. When they love themselves enough, they've been through hell. Trust and believe. Don't mess with that person. That person ain't nothing to play with, because they've been through it, and they're going to tell you about yourself and push you along your merry little way, because you don't have nothing for them. You're just there to take. You know, people that's hurt, they just take from you. They take your energy. They take your money. They take your body. They take your, they just nasty. They take your peace of mind. Please. Anyway, now when you're in your south node, that's basically when you like off your path. Like, you're in your ego. You know what I'm saying? You feeling yourself. You haven't intercourse because, you know, you do want to try to be whatever. Anyway, I can't say that word. So you know what it is when you want to do stuff to make a baby. Y'all keep doing that and you're in your ego. So you all about money. You all about material stuff. You all about going out, being flashy, going to the club, having multiple partners, having threesomes, orgies, doing whatever you do, polygamy, all that nasty stuff. You do it because you're in your ego. You're in your south node. You don't care about nobody. You care about yourself. You're selfish. You're a narcissist, most likely. Because remember, we also are narcissists, because we have to feel and go through what narcissists go through. Because how would we relate? How would we know when we've met a narcissist? Because we had to have been one. So when I was younger, I was all about money. I was all about Gucci. I was all about myself. I wasn't about nothing, especially after my first ex-husband, because I got married twice. My first ex-husband cheated on me. I was like, please, F that, do this. So when I got with my next ex-husband, I played it. I played the games. I was playing, and he was playing too. So I was like, oh, we just playing around. That only lasted like what, a year? That's nothing. Once we got married, it lasted like a year. I was like done, because I moved. I was in North Carolina and I moved across the state board. Hello. That was when me and my mom was still kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? So she paid for my Greyhound bus because I wasn't driving. I was out. I'm like, look, bro, you could have all your little baby mamas and all this nasty stuff going on, and I didn't even know I was pregnant at the time. But I left. I was out. So poop to you. Bye. I don't need no man to tell me nothing, to tell me who I am, tell me I'm strong, and tell me nothing. Let me tell you something. I know who I am. Now, my thing is, I'm here to tell y'all who y'all are and how you gonna know who you are.
Okay, guys, sorry, I had a call. So, like I was saying, when you're in your south node, you're in your ego. You don't care about nobody. You're selfish. You feel me? You don't know who you are. You haven't found yourself. You haven't had your dark night of the soul. Is it dark night? Right. You haven't gone through nothing, basically. You haven't had no experiences. You're just out here hurting people, because hurt people until you have a catalyst and it changes who you are, or you basically come and you have to do it all over again next lifetime. So is when you know, like your dark side, like that's who you are, your shadow side. So when people are in their shadow, like that's your opposite. Everybody has a dark and a light side, so you have to know which one you want. People choose to be evil in this lifetime because in the last one they was good. So when you meet somebody that's nasty this lifetime, that's because last time maybe they had karma, maybe they did bad stuff, so they have to come back come back and face they shadow side, But look at the scenery, guys. Oh my goodness. Like, I try to catch Mother Nature. It was pouring rain, but I still, you feel me? Thought about y'all. So I just want y'all to enjoy this scenery, this ride, have a little meditative session with me because I'm always meditating, always have to be calm and have clarity. I always ground myself. Go outside, walk barefoot, do what nobody has to be watching, but stop caring about what other people think, because once you separate yourself and from the world, from the matrix, and you stop giving a about what people think, that's when you step into your north node or your healing, because you have to heal. You can't fill nobody else's cup up if your cup is empty. So let that sizzle in your soul. And I just want y'all to, be the reason someone smiles today. Check out my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, if you want your holistic herbs, healing herbs, and your Caribbean green seasoning, Caribbean sofrito, Guyanese sofrito, Guyanese style, because I'm Guyanese. And, namaste, guys. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.